Very good evening, traders and friends. Warm welcome to my channel, Smart Index Edge. I'm Nalnakshi Swami. For tomorrow, based on the India VIX, I've calculated the levels for tomorrow's guidance. One minute, I've missed the labeling actually. Text I have not written. Daily low to be 24,134. So tomorrow, the lower boundary will be 24,134 and upper boundary will be 24,532. Today and weekly low to be 23,789. Daily high to, this is weekly. You have done a lot of mistakes today. Weekly high to be 24,532. Coming to the analysis, it was a bearish engulfing type of candle. Later, after dipping down to the equal low, you can see previous day low, below this low, it trapped the liquidity around 24,000. It dipped down to 24,119 and then market slowly recovered almost to the top, but it could not go to this level. It tried to manage to go up to 24,340.25. Later, it has closed below like that. Adjusted price is 24,328. Even yesterday, the adjusted price was little bit higher when it closed around 24,124 and the adjusted price was 24,167. Today also adjusted price is little bit higher and we need to see what they are going to do. Actually, the momentum is fading in the market. It is finding it difficult to move higher. Anyway, we need to see whether if it starts moving higher, the upper boundary you can anticipate for 24,447 and the VIX level is 24,532. So price action, little bit, it has become very narrow after the run up. See, you can see after the movement, the market is undergoing through consolidation. Actually, what happened is it trapped all the buyers' money. These are all put writers' money because it closed and people might have gone, call writers might have gone long by selling the option. They trapped this money, they grabbed this liquidity, and they have grabbed the liquidity beneath, and this is an outside bar. Outside bar, but on daily time frame, it looks like an hanging man at the top. Hanging man at the top is a bearish reversal pattern, but nowadays we cannot expect because even in such type of candlestick formation also market will move. But anyway, caution is exhibited in the price action, so you need to be cautious. Coming to the Bank Nifty, let me go to the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is completely shown a reversal pattern and you can anticipate for Bank Nifty falling down to 54,572 and 54,550. And the supports are 54,907 and 55,832. So it has fallen down from that. Any pullback or up move in this will be sold into, you can anticipate for Bank Nifty showing weakness. Bank Nifty is showing weakness, correction has started, and the 3-cycle correction we can anticipate for 53,521, whether it will be a 1-day correction or it may extend even for 2 days. So tomorrow is Thursday. Thursday is a Nifty expiry day, so you need to be careful. Actually, usually what volatility used to be seen in the market on the expiry day. Nowadays, of late, since 2 months, what I'm observing is on Wednesday itself, volatility will creep in, and some stocks, put option and call option, they will show hero zero movement also. So maybe tomorrow may be a sideways day or an extended day. We need to see what they are going to do, what the big money is going to play. We need to align ourselves for their trade. So if we are intelligent, if we are smart, we need to follow their footsteps. If you follow their footsteps, there will not be any hiccups and you can be profitable. You can see the intention of the big player, you can see in the Bank Nifty is towards the downside. Any up move or gap up in the opening bell will be a trap. You need to be very careful. You need to be very careful, and there is resistance. If you apply here, low volume node is here above this, that is around 55,627 to 55,430 can act as resistance for the market. So these are my analysis. Even the Nifty chart is also a little bit, we need to see what it is doing. I've drawn a channel over here, and it is a bearish engulfing type of, whether bearish engulfing type of pattern, but closing at the low, closing above the previous day close. Since it has closed above the previous day close, it is not a bearish close. Even though it has closed below the opening price of the today's opening price, the close is above the previous day's close. Then we consider it as a bullish one. We need to see, but there is a momentum loss in the price action, which is clearly seen. Price is struggling to move higher. That's why this type of movement we are seeing in the market. Tomorrow, we will come to know what will happen. Either it will be a contained move within this range, narrow move within this range on Thursday, and later it may break down also, because it is finding exhaustion. Even already Bank Nifty started showing bearish move. Then you can anticipate when Bank Nifty is not also supporting the Nifty, then you can anticipate correction in the Nifty too. Okay, friends, I wish you all happy trading day and trade with caution. Trade with caution. Trade, be alert on the price action. Okay, thank you very much. Nalnakshi Swami signing off.